Okay, so we're going to move on to question number 3 on page 474. And so in this triangle, we have DEF, and it gives you the values for DE, for angle D, and for FE. So this is what the triangle looks like. You just have to sketch it so you know what it looks like. And so for question A, all it asks you is to prove that only one triangle can be drawn. And how you do that is you take the side opposite of the angle, so opposite of D, so EF, and you divide it by the side that's adjacent to the angle, which is DE. So you have 8 over 5, which is greater than 1, and if it's greater than 1, if it's greater than 1, then you know that there's only one triangle. And that's it. And so for B, it asks you to solve the triangle. And so this is what we have. And so let's just set up our formula as normal. The first thing that I would do is I would probably solve for angle F. So let's set up our formula. We're going to solve for an angle. So we have sine of D, we put the angles on top, over D is equal to sine of E over E, and sine of F over F. Now let's plug in the things that we know. We know angle D is 80, and we know that the side of D is 8. We don't know anything for E, so we'll just leave that blank. We don't know the angle, we don't know the side, so we'll just leave that blank. Let's go to F. We don't know angle F, but we know side F is 5. And so now we just multiply both sides by 5, so we can get rid of that. So we have sine of F is equal to 5 times sine of 80 divided by 8. So now all we have to do is put the stuff into our calculator. So my calculator, I'll do 80 sine first. 80 sine. I'll do divided by 8 and times 5. So go to 4 decimal places. So I get 0.6155 is equal to sine of F. Now remember, to find the angle, you gotta do the inverse. So let's just show the inverses. So on my calculator, I'm gonna hit Shift, sine inverse, and it gets me, let's go 38 degrees. So I just rounded that number up. And now, we know that angle F is 38. To get angle E, remember that little trick that we did last example? We would do 180 minus 80 minus 38 is equal to So 180 minus 80 minus 38 is equal to 62. And this is going to be equal to angle E. And just remember, we did that because we know that all angles must equal 180 in a triangle. So now all we need is side E. That's our last step. So I'm just gonna move my paper up a little bit. So let's set it up again. Sine of D divided by D is equal to sine of E over E. Actually, scratch that out, because remember we're trying to find sides, so we put the sides on top. Sorry if I made a mistake there, and if I got you guys to erase it, but that's okay. So we do know side D is 8, and sine of 80 is equal to E, and now we know what angle E is, which is 62. So we'll multiply both sides by sine of 62. And now we just put this into our calculator. So I'll do 8 divided by 80 sine equals times 62 sine equals to 7.17. Centimeters is equal to E. And so that's question 3. So we found the angle first of angle F, and then we subtracted angle F. Oh no. Yeah, so we found angle F, and then we subtracted, angle F and angle D to find angle E. And then we just plugged in angle E into this formula here to find side E. And so that's question 3. And just one note at the end there. When it says solve the triangle, which means you need to solve for every angle and every side, and that's what we did. And yeah, and that's it.